Hey guys, welcome to Our Delicious and I am Aditi, and today I'll be showing you how to make this naked rainbow cake. Being a naked cake, you get to see all those beautiful colors and you don't need much decoration to make it look pretty because those beautiful layers will do the work. Let's start with the recipe. So in a bowl, add in some room temperature butter along with some vegetable oil. I'm using both because butter gives great flavor and oil keeps the cake moist. Add in the vanilla extract and the castor sugar. Then using a beater, beat it for a minute till the mixture becomes slightly pale and fluffy. Scrape the bowl from the sides and start adding eggs one at a time, beating between each addition just until the egg is mixed in. Don't overbeat the mixture. Once all the eggs are added in, stop the beater and scrape the bowl. And then add in some yogurt and milk to the mixture. This will further make the cake soft and moist. Whisk both in the mixture just until combined, and now it's time to add in the dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift together some all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. Add in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients all at once and fold it in just until the flour settles in a little, and then using a beater, beat it just until the batter is smooth. Mixing the batter by spatula prevents the flour from flying everywhere in your kitchen. Finish off the batter with the spatula, and this is the consistency you're looking for. Divide the batter evenly in 6 bowls. I'm using an ice cream scoop to divide evenly. You can even weigh the batter and divide it using a weighing scale. Add in the gel colors to the batter and mix it in. I'm using red, yellow, orange, green, blue and violet. The exact color and brand will be mentioned in the description box below. To bake the batter, I'm using 6-inch cake pan which I've lined with some oil and parchment paper. If you don't have a big oven or you don't have so many pans, you can let the batter sit and bake one by one. Pour the batter in the pans and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once the cakes are baked, let them sit in the pan for 10 minutes and then demold them onto a wire rack and let them cool completely. Once the cakes are cooled, level the humps of all the layers using a sharp serrated knife. Since I am making a naked cake, I want to remove the brown edges. To do that, place the layer on a raised platform and then using a grater, grate away the brown edges as shown and reveal the gorgeous bright colors. Repeat this for all the layers. To assemble the cake, I have a 6-inch board which I have stuck on a display board with some buttercream. Put it on a turntable. Place the first violet layer on the board, then soak it with some simple syrup which is equal parts of water and sugar boiled together and cool completely. This will make the cake nice and moist. I'm using my less sweet buttercream to frost the cake, recipe to which you can find in the description box below. I have put the buttercream in a piping bag which makes it easier to put on the cake. Pipe the buttercream on the cake and then using a palette knife spread it evenly. Let the frosting overhang from the cake a little. I'll show you why later. Repeat this with all the layers, blue, then green, then yellow, then orange and lastly red. Spread the buttercream on the top layer as well and now let the cake chill in the fridge for 30 minutes for the buttercream to harden. Once hard, take a sharp knife dipped in some hot water and cut the overhanging buttercream as I'm showing here in the video. This will give a clean look to your naked cake. And this is what the cake looks like once you're done. I'll do a simple decoration. Just place a small bowl on top of the cake and add colorful sprinkles all around the bowl. Once done, lift the bowl and you're left with a clean circle of sprinkles. And ta-da! Your naked rainbow cake is ready. This cake is such a showstopper and it's equally delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, don't forget to share a picture with me on my Instagram, link to which is in the description box below. I love watching what you make and I even repost it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you haven't already to watch more such videos every week. See you again. Until then, bye bye.